This activity is called the magic hat. So first I'm going to create a rectangle. So you're going to come to the shape button, which is a square and a circle together. Click the shape you want, and you'll draw your rectangle. Now your shape will show orange, so you'll go to the paint bucket and change the color that you want. Now you're going to go back to the shape and pick the vertical lines. For this activity, I'm going to do 5 word families. Just draw your lines where you think they need to go, because you can always move them later. So my sections are not equal, so I'm going to go back to the pointer, and I can make the rectangle smaller, and I can also move the lines. Oh, that's going to be important to lock your shapes together so it doesn't move around. Okay, so to group your shapes, you're going to draw a rectangle, right click and hit group. So now it's one object. Now I'm going to go place it, and I'm going to drag a box around it again and lock it. So your students will not be able to lock it. Right now it's in create mode. When it's in blue, I cannot move it. So now I'm going to add my word families. I'm going to click the text icon, and I'm going to click on an empty space, and I'm going to add my word families. After I have all my word families typed, I'm going to click the pointer tool and move them in the box. Okay, so now I have my word families. I'm going to type some words that will match these word families. So I'm going to click the text tool, and let's see, hat. I'm going to put 2 words for each word family for this example. Nap, dad, had. If it overlaps, that's fine, because you're going to put the words all on top of each other. Can, man, ham, jam. So now you'll stack your words on top of each other. So now your words are all stacked. If you don't want them in that area, you'll drag a box and then move them wherever you want. So now the important part. All your words are stacked together. In a few minutes, we'll get a magic hat. So when you drag them, they're going to be in the same order backwards. So the word families will be the same. In order to change that, you're going to go to your page browser. If you do not have this panel on the left side, you'll go to View and click Browsers. So Browsers will take it away. To add it, go to View, Browsers. So now you go to the Object Browser, which is the 3rd icon. So if you click it, you can see your text is right here. You're going to rearrange your text by dragging them however you want in any order. So now if I drag it, it's a different order. So now you're going to get your picture. You're going to go to Word. You'll go to Insert and Online Pictures. These pictures in this resources are free for copyright. So I'm going to find a hat. Let's see, I'm going to use this tall hat. I'm going to insert, and then I'll copy and paste it onto my workspace. So now you want your picture just a little bigger than your word. So this is extremely big. Let's see. Okay, so now my picture, I'm going to lock it. So when you drag the words out, they come from behind the magic hat. So now your students will be able to drag it where the matching word family is and say the word.